Do you ever do that thing where you challenge yourself to get all of the groceries into the house in one shot? I mean, me too. Now let's say you have everything positioned just right. You've got milk jugs hooked through your pinkies, bags from your wrist to your shoulders. You've got toilet paper and paper towels tucked under your arms. You've got it in one load. You're gonna have to open the door with your mouth, but you've got it. What would happen if somebody came along, put a carton of eggs on top of everything? It would totally throw off the whole system, right? You don't have room for one more thing. Well, that's how your ideal clients and customers feel when somebody tries to push another offer at them while they're still holding on to the baggage of past things they've tried that have failed. Use your sales copy first to help them release the things that they've been holding on to. Let them know it's not their fault and make sure that you're clear on how your solution is different and can help them actually get the result that they want. Then introduce them to what you're offering. Follow for more tips on sales copy.